What is going on YouTube? Hayden here, and in today's video we need to talk about the continued correction that has taken place as of yesterday, maybe even the day before. Now, as you guys know, this is a new week. It is currently Wednesday the 8th, and what we have seen is consolidation from pretty much like Friday afternoon into Monday morning, about that long. You can see right here, this is Wednesday, this is Tuesday, and that is Monday. So from pretty much Friday to Monday, we've been kind of teeter-tottering, kind of flatlined out for the weekend, and now we're starting to see that volume again this week, which is very exciting if you ask me. Now, yesterday and the previous days, we've been tracking kind of like bull flags here, long-term bull flags that I still believe, even though we're seeing a correction right now, I still believe they are still bullish. I still believe we are going to be breaking out. It's just going to take more consolidation than we had thought. Now, you can see with something like just 4 days ago, we had the beautiful bull flag drawn, still just, 1 day ago. And then even yesterday, we still drew the bull flag. We haven't broken out of this trend just yet, the technical indicators. So everything is still on point with our analysis and our hypothesis of a possible break coming in the very near future. You can see with this, though, it's finally starting, and this is in reference to a correction. And a lot of you guys commented yesterday like, oh, but I've never seen somebody get happy about the markets falling. Well, that's because you can short now. You can short cryptocurrencies, so why wouldn't you really be happy about correction? I'm happy whether the markets are pumping or dumping, as long as we're not flatlined out trading sideways like we've seen in the bearish crypto winter here. So let's dive, without further ado, let's just dive right into this. Make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's get right into today's episode. So guys, I wanted to update you super quick on the New Year's promo that's going on with BYDFI. As you can see here, I did get an updated version where we do see the times. It's about a month, so you have about 2 to 3 weeks left to enter this. You can see with the date being at the bottom right here, but more info's down in the description below, top of the description here. This is a new promo for the New Year's for you guys that are, I guess, are trading, just like you did for the trading competition. Here's a similar version of that, but you get this time, instead of it being, I guess with the trading comp, it was a little more accurate. Like if you did trade high and you were in the top 5, you did get a guaranteed portion. This is more of getting entered for a chance to win some free stuff. But if you're already trading, you might as well take advantage of it to begin with here. But you can see you can win AirPods, Rolexes, iPads, iPhones, and even bonus crypto. And I'll explain later on in today's video how you can earn other more guaranteed bonus cryptocurrency just by signing up completely free with the link down in the description. So if you don't want to enter the comp, there are still ways for you to benefit off the BYDFI exchange here. But diving into today's video here, I want to briefly look at the coin market cap. You can see how markets are down 6% today. Boy, oh boy, are we dropping like flies. 5%, 7, 3, 3, 7, 10. Everything is like falling off a cliff here. Just correction. Everything is sliding to the downside. And honestly, I'm not surprised. We've been kind of waiting for movements like this to take place here. You can see with something like Solana, we have a correction here, pulling back down to price floor to the bottom support here. And a lot of these cryptocurrencies are doing that too. XRP, which we're going to be talking about, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500, are starting to teeter-totter and correct to the downside, pull back to where levels are that we kind of expect to see take place. Now, just a couple of days ago, we were able to adjust the XRP chart to incorporate this top resistance. We have points of contact here, here, and here. And with that being said, more than expected, we are now looking for an Elliott impulse wave completion at 0.5. We're kind of hugging the top resistance here, but it looks like we're trying to breach this and fall down to 0.5 here. That's what I'm looking for. Like, we are still hugging it tight, and it's very possible at any point we close above this major price ceiling, we close above this major resistance right here, and we're going to buy in and long it to the upside here. But because it doesn't seem like we're doing that at this moment, there is a very good chance we could see this correction. We could see this pullback to the downside. And that's truly what I think is coming for XRP. There's a big chance now that is what's going to happen with all these other cryptocurrencies pulling lower here. Although what is exciting, as you can see, XRP is like one of the cryptos that is holding its spot pretty nicely, unlike Solana, which is tanking, Ethereum, which tanked, Bitcoin tanked. XRP isn't doing that. So what's cool now is, look, Solana's at a very solid support. Ethereum at a very solid support. Bitcoin also at a very solid support. Stock market, not so much, but all these cryptos now have made it to price floor-ish, to a support that would say, hey, well, with Bitcoin, there's a good chance it could reverse. With Ethereum, there's a good chance it could also reverse. Solana, good chance it could reverse. So that would mean, hey, maybe XRP, this is it. Maybe it doesn't need to fall all the way down to 0.5. And maybe if we can confirm closure in the next couple of days above major price ceiling here, we could buy in and long to the upside. It's very likely. It is very possible that we could be seeing this. So I'm excited. Hopefully you guys are excited to see this too, but I want to briefly talk about BYDFI super quick. So all these trades that we do on XRP, we do on BYDFI. They are the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange I like to use here on the channel. You can not only get some free stuff that they're giving away, which is crazy. They've never done that before, but on top of that, you can see here they also have a demo trading account, which I think is excellent, and I've begged them to re-add because they only had it on mobile for a certain point. But you can now get a opportunity to practice trading your skills, learn how to get familiar with trading, learn how to get familiar with the exchange, make consecutive trades. And if you are good at trading, and you can prove it here because it's risk-free, 50K in demo money with leverage is practically unlimited. You don't need to do anything else. Get familiar with the exchange, make profitable trades. If and when you do, make sure to also take advantage of the reward center, because the reward center, and if you want to make a new account, you get a certain amount of time to sign up for a lot of these rewards. And if they expire, and because you were using the demo account, just open a new exchange. Open a new BYDFI website and go from there, or a new BYDFI account, and you'll be fine. But you can see here exclusive rewards, hot rewards, daily rewards that reset every single day, and then they even have new user rewards that you can take advantage of. It is on a time limit. You can see limited time rewards up to 8K, so you do have a certain time to take advantage of it here, but you can see here, very simply, anybody can pretty much earn up to $100 in free bonus crypto, and then up to 8,000 by these demo or these sign-up bonuses with how you trade. So if you're a whale and you want to take advantage of it, by all means, and then you can take advantage of it by longing, shorting, leverage trading, create stop losses, take profits. Everything you want is offered on BYDFI, which is excellent here. So make sure to check this out ASAP. Aside from BYDFI here, and aside from XRP, which could be at a standstill, I mean, everything else seems pretty standard, pretty obvious here. Solana hitting bottom support looks very much like it wants to correct out of this, and it very well could, because we fell down to 50, maybe even 44 on the relative strength indicator, and more than likely it's going to reverse up. It is going to reverse out of this, and that is very exciting if you ask me, because we're holding on a moving average. If we hang out here, use this support and this as leverage, we could hopefully bounce and repel off, and we won't head as low as we could, if that makes sense. Something like Ethereum. On a resistance, we have this uptrend beautifully drawn out here. You can see in the past, we've used it as a support consistently. We had a bullish break outside of here, rejected off price ceiling, came crashing to the downside here. So obviously stop losses were hit, but we were able to capitalize from the buy in here all the way up. But right now we fell down to support. Well, now we have an uptrend. We have a moving average, or the moving average. We have a price floor. I mean, everything screams, hey, we probably hit that low. We're probably not going to head lower. And even if we do, we should wick out of it and rally out. And that's truly what I think is going to happen. I don't think we aren't going to see that. To be honest with you, I think there's a lot riding on that. This could be the floor for a lot of these cryptos, and Solana could easily see a reversal now. Bitcoin or XRP could see that reversal out. Ethereum could see the reversal out, and Bitcoin too, which we need to talk about here. We did fall inside this descending fractal. We broke out of it, and here we are coming back to support, and now there's a chance we could reverse or swing up off that, as we've been using this support for a very, very, very long time. So the fact that we're using it again as a support screams, hey, we're probably going to head up higher. Now, obviously, anything can happen. Of course, we could confirm closure above here, but you'll have warning. That's what I'm saying. I'm not a fortune teller. I can't predict the future, but I can tell with the patterns that we're seeing here what we're more than likely going to see and when we're going to see it. But it gives you ample warning. If we close the daily chart below some of these supports, like we close XRP below here, we can short it. We close XRP above resistance. Very good chance there's a lot more room to head and grow to the upside here. Same thing with Bitcoin. We close the daily below here. We can short this to the downside. It doesn't get any easier than that, so it really doesn't matter. Stock market looks good too. Another day of correction here. No surprises there. You can see filling in this gap quite nicely here. And then I think once we hit bottom here, we should probably reverse out, because there's without a doubt consolidative bull flag forming. So Everything looks great. Everything looks excellent. Technical indicators across the board. That being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.